I'm so weak at this weather. It's just so hot. And I rode my bike from home to here. No strength whatsoever. Feels terrible. So I'll wait until it's getting colder until I drive home again. And now I'll check if someone of the administration of the IST is here, the Institute for Software Technologies, or the Institute of Software Technologies, I don't know. And then I'll have to do my math homework. I still have 1 hour, that should be enough. I hope. I mean, I'll just do the easy exercises and whatever. Yeah, that's the plan for now. But on a positive note, today in the morning I took my last pill of the antibiotics. So it will get better starting now, and my body pretty much could handle it. I mean, my heart was racing when I was driving my bike when it was so hot, but it's gonna get better. And as for now, my kidney and my stomach didn't complain. That's a good thing. Okay. Probably not the best idea to be sitting here, but it's nice and cold. I might get hit by lightning, but it might also hit us here. There's constant thunder and it starts to rain, and I'm hungry. I need something to eat, but I don't want to drive somewhere else anymore because it starts to rain. Yeah, look at that. Without cover. Yeah, that's the last time I have a tutoring session for discrete mathematics. I will come here once more on Tuesday. No, on Thursday, this Tuesday. So in 2 days I will be here and write a test in the morning at 8 a.m. Wow, I'm not used to getting up at 8 a.m. or even earlier. Yeah, I think I'll go inside again. Let's go. It's annoying if someone calls you while you're vlogging, because if someone calls me, the recording stops. That's stupid. That's what happened down there. But whatever, I didn't say anything anymore. Anyway. Any. It is raining. I actually like it, because it's not so hot anymore. But I have to get home by bike. Maybe not the best thing though. And all the people in the UK are getting annoyed by the rain. I hope you have sunny days too in the near future. It's gonna be hot again here tomorrow. That's everything. I still have to wait for 1 hour until my tutoring session starts. But anyway. What is it called if there's ice falling from the sky? Not like snow, but like these icy things. I definitely won't ride my bike if that's happening, because rain is okay. I'll just get wet. I can live with that, but not with those things. They will hurt me. They hurt. Strange. Also, it's probably not a good idea to ride my bike if there is a thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. Pronunciation. Yeah, it started to rain again. Oops.